Kibana Spaces is one of the easiest ways to organize content in Kibana. Let's update our Kibana installation to take advantage of this feature. In the bottom left, click the default space and then Manage Spaces. We'll rename this space to DevOps to create a space specifically for our DevOps team. Remember that each space within Kibana is completely separate. So content the DevOps team creates in their space won't be seen by other teams. Next, we'll create a space for the product team. Give the space a name, change the color of the icon if you'd like, and then a short description. This will provision space only for the product team. When we log out, we'll then be presented with each space. You can control who sees what spaces with our security. In this particular example, this user has access to all spaces. But just keep in mind, they are completely separate. Thank you.